Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to learn about a very important concept in mathematics and statistics, the mean, also known as the average. So let's get started. To begin with, what exactly is the mean? The mean, often called the average, is a basic but powerful concept in mathematics and statistics. It helps us understand the central value, or typical number, in a group of data. Mean is a measure of central tendency. The mean represents the typical value in a dataset. It helps us understand what is usual or expected in a group of numbers. In simple terms, the mean is used to summarize a set of data with just one single number. This makes it easier to compare or analyze data in many real-life situations. For example, if you want to know the average marks in a test or the average income in a city, you're looking for the mean. It gives us a quick summary of a dataset using a single number. The formula to calculate the mean is simple. You add up all the values in the dataset and then divide the total by how many values there are. Mathematically, it's written as mean equals the sum of all data values divided by the number of values. Or, in symbols, mean equals sigma chi divided by n, where sigma chi means the sum of all the data points and n is the number of data points. Let's go through the steps to calculate the mean. First, list all the values in your dataset. Second, add all the values together to get the total sum. Third, count how many values are in the list. And finally, divide the total sum by the number of values. The result is your mean. Now, let's see a quick example to make this clear. Suppose we have the following data: 4, 8, 6, 5, and 3. Step 1. Add them up. 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 equals 26. Step 2. Count the numbers. We have 5 values. Step 3. Divide the total sum by the number of values. That's 26 divided by 5, which gives us 5.2. So, the mean of this dataset is 5.2. And that's how you calculate the mean. It's a simple but useful tool to understand data. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing to get more comfortable with statistics.